friends, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to show you how to prepare a healthy banana stem soup. Banana stem has various health benefits. It is a rich source of fiber, potassium and vitamin B6. Now let's look into the ingredients required for preparing this healthy soup. 1 medium-sized banana stem, 4 to 5 strings of spring onion finely chopped, 1 big onion, 1 cup of sweet corn, garlic, salt, 1 teaspoon of corn flour, pepper powder and butter. Now let's see how to clean the banana stem. Take a sharp knife and peel off the outer hard layer of the banana stem. There will be 2 to 3 layers which you might need to remove before you reach the edible part of the stem. As you guys know, banana stem is a rich source of potassium. It is very helpful to get relieved from kidney stone. Now let's roughly chop the banana stem into smaller cubes. Add chopped onions to it. And also let's add the garlic. Now let's transfer the ingredients into a pressure cooker. Add 1½ cup of water. And now pressure cook it for 4 to 5 whistles. After the 5th whistle, turn off the gas and allow the mixture to cool down. Let's now strain the excess water using a strainer. Reserve this water for later use. Transfer the ingredients into a blender and add 3 tablespoons of cooked water. Now blend the mixture into a fine paste. Now transfer the blended mixture into a strainer. Strain it thoroughly until the entire juice comes out of the mixture. Now transfer the mixture into a pan. Add 1 tablespoon of salt and mix it thoroughly. Add 1 tablespoon of pepper. I am adding half a teaspoon of vinegar. This is optional. Stir it thoroughly. Now let's add sweet corn, finely chopped spring onions. Mix it thoroughly. Now to get a thick consistency of the soup, we are adding 1 tablespoon of diluted corn flour. Mix it well. Now add a half tablespoon of butter. Now mix it well until the butter is completely melted into the soup. Keep it in a medium flame and allow the soup to boil. Stir it occasionally until the soup is thickened. Once it has reached the required consistency, turn off the gas and transfer the hot soup into the serving bowl. Let's garnish it with some freshly chopped coriander leaves. Now the hot and healthy banana stem soup is ready for serving. Thank you friends for watching the video. If you have liked the video, hit the like button. Also do share the feedback of the video in the comment section. If you have not subscribed our channel, kindly subscribe our channel. And to get the latest notification on our video, please press the bell button.